Then guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a 2017 Challenger. I'm working on the wheels and the calipers. I did a lot yesterday, so I wasn't able to record because this customer is just paying to do the painting the wheels, painting the calipers. But you guys know, in order for me to make videos, I need money to keep buying parts. And having a company like AdSense taking the money from you when you're working on YouTube, it's crazy. So every time that I make a video, YouTube obviously is paying me for it. But we have companies, I'm working with AdSense, and that company is just taking everything from me. So obviously, if I need to make more videos, I need to make more money. That's why I haven't been able to post videos the way I should or the way I wanted to, because AdSense. So thank you, AdSense. Keep taking all my money. So right here we have the 2017 Dodge Challenger, and yesterday I did 3 wheels, if you can see right there, with 3 calipers. I'm doing VHT for the wheels, spray painting the wheels, just kind of like a little touch up. And for the calipers, I'm doing duplicate color, and I'm doing it with a brush. I want to do it a better job, something that lasts longer, because if you do just spray paint, that thing is gonna come off really soon. In this case, this is the last one we have. I knew it was a lot of work. That's why I didn't record anything yesterday, because everybody's doing this before. So I don't think this is something unique that you wanted to see. Everybody paint wheels, everybody paint calipers, and that's why I haven't recorded anything. But this is my last one. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm doing, but obviously with the brush and taking your time cleaning everything, this is the result. They look amazing. The whole paint job works a lot better when you take your time for preparation. Preparation is key. So that's what I'm doing right now. Gotta jack up the car, take that one off, and start cleaning and removing the whole old paint on the caliper, because it still have red paint. Somebody painted this before, but if you can see, it's spray paint. That's why it's coming off like that. So hopefully with the duplicate color that I'm using, it's gonna last a lot longer. And everything that you're gonna see on this episode, the customer pay for everything with his own money. Okay, so we already jack up the car, jack stands, just to make sure that everything stays safe. Now, before I remove anything, I wanted to use this. They came with the kit. When you put this one, if you already have paint, it's gonna remove the paint. Then let it sit. Use your brush to brush it off, and then probably you have to put a little bit more, like 2-3 times, and all the paint came off really easy. That's what I did yesterday. This is the paint that I'm using, caliper paint with ceramic, duplicate color. And like I said, thanks to AdSense, I'm getting paid less and less on YouTube. But I just wanted to bring that up, guys. I don't think you guys need to hear me crying about that. But when somebody messes with your money, of course, you're not gonna be happy. But the good thing is that I don't do YouTube for the money. If that would be the case, I wouldn't be doing this. I'm doing this because I love to work on cars, not because of the money. See how it's eating the paint away? I like to apply it 2-3 times, so it makes the job a lot easier. If you don't have paint, you can just spray this thing, clean it, and you're good to go. But if you got paint already, like right here, you can just wait a little bit and see how easy it's coming off. Yeah. So this is gonna take like 5 minutes just to remove, instead of you going with the wire wheel or whatever method you use to clean it. With this thing, you just spray it, 5 minutes, remove all the paint, and you're good to go. So there you have it. We're almost ready. I just gotta remove a little bit more paint in here and on top. And this is one of the reasons why I like to remove the caliper and the brake pads, because if you don't remove it, you're not gonna be able to paint this area right here. So ideal it will be to remove everything and take your time, but that's a lot of work. So in order for me to get access and be able to paint all this, caliper has to come out, and like that you clean it, you service your brakes at the same time, and it makes everything a lot easier. Okay guys, so everything is almost ready. I'm gonna start painting the bracket first, and then I'm gonna put one of the bolts and paint one side, bring it down, paint the other side, and then get everything back on the car. But first I wanna finish this. I'm gonna do 2 coats like I did on the other ones, because this paint is really heavy, really thick. I like it a lot. I think it's gonna last a lot longer than the one with the spray. And yes, I'm watching Mr. JWW. Amazing guy. He know how to make really good content. And the way he film, amazing. I recommend you guys to go and watch this guy, because he know how to do little movies. And that's what I call them, like little movies on YouTube, because this guy is amazing. I always watch him. So I want to do 2 coats on this one before I put everything back on, because I want the paint to be rich and thick, and hopefully, like I said, last a lot longer. First coat is done, so I'm gonna wait over 20 minutes just to make sure that the second one is spray out evenly. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and start working on the wheels. I'm gonna get that one ready for paint, and then once I get that one done, I'm gonna come here, do the second coat. Okay guys, so we're done with the rims and with the calipers. Everything is complete. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you everything in detail, because thousands of people doing this same thing. But this is done. And we come around and we have las amolas, las chiquititas las amolas. This one is done too, the other side too. So we finished with this job. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.